Hello everyone, welcome to a new video.
In the previous video, we discussed how to install Android Studio. Now I am going to show you how to develop our first project. So in this dialog box, click on Start New Android Studio Project. We are using empty activity here.
We can also create projects for different devices such as Wear OS, TV application and so on.
Now I am going to choose the option for phone and tablet here. So after selecting an empty activity, click Next. Then we have to fill this column. The first column is for the application name. You can fill it as your choice. The next one is package name. It should be unique. The Play Store will consider your unique ID when you upload your finished work in the Play Store. I am going to just giving one name because it is only for tutorial purpose. If you have a website, it is better to give that domain in this column. The next one is the project location. It is there as default. You can change it or use this one as per your interest. The next one is language. We can also use Kotlin. In fact, Google suggests Kotlin now, but I personally recommend Java for beginners because it is more simple to study the programming language with Java. The next one is the minimum SDK. It is not necessary to select 4.1 because newly available mobile phones have 4.4 or 5.1 SDK. I am going to select 5.0. You should keep checking legacy. Then click finish. Okay, now we should wait for project building time. Its speed depends on whether your system using SSD or hard disk. SSD is faster than the hard disk. We can see here ongoing the download of Gradle. Downloading Gradle zip file. Basically, the Android Studio has full-time internet usage, so we can check the data uplink and downlink like this. Just close it. This is our basic application and this is the Java code. This is our layout. Activity underscore main is our layout. There is a default Java code file named mainActivity.java. These two things are linked to each other. Any events in the main activity file can make an action on this file. Anyway, this is the layout of our app. In this we can see a text named hello world. I'm going to change this hello everyone. Click enter. I am going to run this application. For that we should create a virtual device. In this small icon named AVD Manager, we can create a new Android device in it. Click on AVD Manager, then click create a virtual device. We should use virtual device in which the Play Store enabled. Just consider the symbol which represents a Play Store enabled device. If your PC is not Full HD, don't use high pixel resolution. You can use Pixel 2 or something like that. I am using Pixel 2 here. Click next. We can see the option till Android R here. I am using the Android Pie here. It is better to use Android Pie instead of other system images. So let's wait to complete downloading. It's about 875 MB. You can connect your phone via USB and can directly run this application on your phone by enabling USB debugging. I personally recommend using your phone as a test device if the PC has only less RAM or graphics. Yes, our file gets downloaded completely, but we have to wait for the extraction. It is better to use dark themes for the Android Studio as it is more comfortable to our eyes. So our installation gets completed. Let's click finish. Click on this download file and click next. No need for any changes in this dialog box too.
So click finish.
This is our newly created device. It can be run by clicking the play button here. You can see the screen similar to the mobile phone display. This is our newly created Android virtual device. Okay, let's close this dialog box. If you have an external graphics card, you can enable custom settings and run this virtual device on the graphics card. It will help to smoothen running. This movement is not much smoother because I am using this in software graphics. You can also run this hardware graphics. However, this is our device.
It is pure Android. We can make changes to it.
We can click here to open the settings window. Click on settings and select dark or light themes. We can test many functions like fingerprints, microphones and sensors, etc. I am showing an example by sending an SMS to this. This can be used for testing purpose.
It is a very advanced emulator.
We can run our application by this button. It is important to select this Android emulator at the time of running. Here we can see our application. We can see hello everyone here. The window is blank as we do not add anything to this. I will show you one customization for your knowledge. Just drag it. Click on the icon split. Now we can see the preview and the code of our layout. Now I am showing an example. We can simply add the background here and also change the text color. Run again. Now this has become a color change in our layout and text.
I will give you a detailed explanation in the following videos.
So let's stop here. Hope you understand everything. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask that in comment box.
If this video is helpful to you,
don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.